14,472 feet above sea level. Here, the air is thin, the cold is bitter, and the engineering challenges are monumental. To build the world's highest civilian airport, an army of engineers had to literally move mountains and fill valleys in under 2.5 years. This is the story of the Daosheng Yading Airport, a $255 million mega project that conquered the sky. The journey begins in Sangdui Township, 50 kilometers from Daicheng. The mission: survey the future site of a record-breaking runway. At over 4,400 meters, the first enemy is the atmosphere. Oxygen levels are drastically low, testing the endurance of every man on site. Before ground could be broken, a specialized base camp had to be established to protect the crew from rapidly changing, freezing weather. By summer 2012, the heavy armor arrived, but bringing massive machinery up narrow mountain passes was a logistical nightmare. The thin air didn't just affect the men, it choked the machines. Engines lost significant power, requiring specialized mechanical tuning just to operate. To create a flat surface for a 4.2-kilometer runway, the landscape had to be violently reshaped. Millions of cubic meters of rock and earth were moved, hills were leveled, and deep valleys were filled to create a stable foundation. Filling the valleys was only step one. The earth had to be compacted to withstand the immense weight of landing commercial jets. Heavy-duty compactors worked day and night, vibrating the soil into a dense, rock-hard layer. In this extreme environment, water runoff from melting snow posed a critical threat. Deep drainage systems had to be integrated immediately. To combat the freeze-thaw cycle of the permafrost, specialized geotextile membranes were laid over the subgrade. A thick base layer of crushed gravel was then applied, providing critical insulation against the freezing ground below. Work rarely stopped, even when nighttime temperatures plummeted far below freezing. With a tight schedule of under 2.5 years, precision and discipline were the only ways to avoid delays. Next came the runway surface, but pouring concrete at 14,000 feet is a race against physics. Standard concrete would freeze before it cured. The engineers used a specialized, fast-drying, anti-freeze concrete mix. Large mechanized screeds smoothed the surface, ensuring a perfectly level plane for the 4,200-meter stretch. To protect the chemical curing process, the fresh concrete was immediately wrapped in massive thermal blankets. Engineers monitored the core temperature around the clock. A single crack would mean tearing it up and starting over. The result, a Class 4C runway, 45 meters wide, capable of handling large commercial jets in the thinnest of air. With the runway secured, focus shifted to the passenger terminal, a structure requiring an equally innovative design. The terminal was designed to handle 280,000 passengers a year, built on a robust steel skeleton. Every weld, every bolt had to be reinforced to withstand extreme high-altitude winds and seismic activity. The architectural blueprint called for a 5,000 square meter building shaped like a futuristic flying saucer. Sleek, aerodynamic metallic panels were installed, designed to deflect the harsh mountain winds. Beneath the surface, miles of cabling were laid to power the advanced life support and operational systems of the airport. Because of the extreme altitude, the terminal was outfitted with industrial-scale oxygen enrichment systems.